Unity is power, that's the code he wrote. Different blocks, same struggle, same heavy load. If the people stand together, that's a force they can't control. Educate the mind first, then the movement grows. Unity is power, not a slogan, not a chant. It's a plan, it's a structure, it's a conscious stance. When the people know themselves, that's a dangerous advance. Cause unity plus knowledge equals freedom by demand. Young voice in the city where the tension stayed thick. He wasn't loud just to shout, he was sharp with the script. Talking discipline, purpose, how the system was built. How division was designed to keep the pressure on tilt. He said power ain't chaos, power's people aligned. Different cultures, same goal, liberation of the mind. So we studied, then he taught, never spoke just to speak. Every word had intention, every lesson was deep. He saw hunger as violence, ignorance as a cage. So we fed both the body and the thoughts on the page. Free breakfast in the morning, political education. Showing kids they was kings, not a problem statistic. He believed if you learn and you stand on your feet. And if you stand together, you ain't easy to beat. Yeah. Easy to beat. Unity is power, that's the truth in the plan. Educate the people, put the future in their hands. Different faces, one fight, gotta learn how to stand. Unity plus knowledge makes a movement expand. He said the fight wasn't color, it was systems and lies. It was poverty weaponized, misdirection and pride. So we reached past the borders, they told us not to cross. Found common ground and struggle, even counted the cost. Said the problems stay the same when the hunger ain't fed. When the schools stay broken and the workers misled. He taught leadership ain't ego, ain't control, ain't fame. It's serving the people, putting truth in they frame. Organized with intention, not reaction or rage. Build structure, build discipline, build power that stays. Cause a crowd with no vision is easy to sway. But the people who study can't be led astray. Yeah, unity is power more than marching the street. It's the mind fully trained and the people in sync. If you know what you're fighting for, you harder to defeat. Unity plus education makes the victory complete. Unity is power more than marching the street. It's the mind fully trained and the people in sync. If you know what you're fighting for, you harder to defeat. Unity plus education makes the victory complete. Now fast forward to the day, new screen, same game. Different chains on the mind, different ways, they distracting the brain. They tell us unity outdated, tell us we don't align. But division still profitable, so they pushing the line. So this message ain't old, it's a manual still. If the people don't study, someone else always will. Start local, build trust, learn the history first. Understand how the system benefits from the worst. Leadership ain't a title, it's a role you accept. When you speak with the people, not above but correct. And the future don't start with a post or a rant. It starts with political education and a discipline plan. Unity isn't everybody thinking the same. It's everybody understanding the mission. Educate, organize, serve the people, that's power. Hey. Hey. Hey.